If the NFC Tag Reader isn't showing up on your iPhone, whether you're trying to make a payment or connect to an NFC-enabled accessory, here's how to fix it. Step 1. Check compatibility first. Not all iPhones support NFC, but most modern ones do. To use NFC, you need iOS 13 or later. We're currently on iOS 18. iPhone 7 or newer. If your device meets these requirements, move on to the next steps. Step 2. Using NFC for payments. If you're trying to use Apple Pay, you can activate NFC by double-pressing the side button on your iPhone. This will bring up Apple Pay, and the screen will display Hold Near Reader, indicating NFC is active. Step 3. Manually enabling NFC for accessories. If NFC isn't working for accessories, you can manually activate it using the Shortcuts app. 1. Swipe all the way left to open the app library. 2. Search for and open the Shortcuts app. 3. Tap Automation at the bottom center, then select Create New Automation. 4. Use the search bar at the top to look for NFC. 5. Select NFC and tap Scan to detect an NFC tag. 6. If it doesn't automatically activate, you can enable it manually here. Once you've followed these steps, NFC should be working again, and you're all set. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.